We start off by taking a look at the VIX, and we see that it's moved away with authority from its change control zone and powered right through that previous wedge. It's at a precarious point now. Is this a false breakout, or is this a break and retest of that wedge? We'll find out soon enough, and will have a dramatic impact on the rest of the markets. Taking a look at the S&P 500, one of the most liquid markets in the world, we see that it's also at a decision point and also kind of suspenseful. I don't think we've seen this much suspense in the markets since the world wanted to find out who shot JR. And for you younger traders that might not know what that means, go ahead and Google it. In any event, that trend line down around 3650 is a 33-year trend line. So do we possibly get a retest of that? Or perhaps do the bulls want to step in and powering back up to the upside? NQ coming off fresh new all-time highs, where the bulls began to start taking profits off at the ABCD line. We'll find out how much more profit taking that the bulls want to take from these lofty levels. And last but not least, we take a look at the Dow futures, where in a very technically correct move and setting a new all-time high, we see that the bulls began to take some profits off. The question remains is, how far will they go? We see a key area of support and resistance around 29,180, which represents a previous all-time high, and some other confluence areas there with Fibonacci retracements in the bottom of a shorter-term change control zone. So ultimately, what we can see during these periods of higher volatility are gaps. We can see a gap up or gap down on the opens on a restart over the weekend or a restart during the evening session. Or we can also see during trading hours limit up and limit down. So one thing for sure is to stay true to your risk management trading rules.